Double-click the Aval Setup exe file on the installation file and run it. Click Yes to see the Quick Start Guide. In the video, I will click No and skip it. Click the Install button. On this screen, you can set the items to install and the installation path for the files by pressing the Select button. You can also select Tools to install additionally. Click OK button. On this screen, you can select Interface CXP and GigaE to install. GigaE supports Aval Data's GigaE cameras. Click More Info and click Run on it. Anyway, this is a window you can register a license. You can select a product version and enter a license key or use it as a trial version. Please note, when using the evaluation version, the message asking you to register a license will appear, but there are no functional limitations. Installation is completed. When a message asking if you want to restart appears, click Yes to button to restart.